superhero singing vegan mum, and this is a quick one about what I had for my breakfast. If anyone who knows me knows that I always have a large glass of warm lemon and lime, and then I have a green smoothie. This morning I'm going to make porridge pancakes, fried in no oil whatsoever. It is delicious, it is healthy, and it is wonderful. As you know, last week was my son's birthday and we treated him to bowling, but I also gave him a surprise where we went to Windsor and we spent the night in a hotel, and then we went off to Legoland. So more of all of that later. But before I carry on, don't forget to subscribe now and let me know whether you've tried the recipes and whether you like my videos. I'm also very excited because a lot of the ingredients that I get from a shop in Brixton called Pempamsie, and they sell all kinds of things that are really good for you: herbal remedies, seeds, nuts, lovely books, African arts and crafts. And I normally have to travel all the way over to Brixton to get all of my things, especially my sea moss, which I have every morning in my smoothie. Good news! Pempamsie has now opened in Lewisham, which is my hometown. I'm always in Lewisham visiting my dad, so I'm absolutely ecstatic. So check it out, guys. Pempamsie. I know they've got one in Mitcham, one in Lewisham, one in Brixton. The healthy ingredients that you see me use in my recipes is often from Pempamsie. I had to give them a shout out because now they're in Lewisham. Anyway, on with my recipe. Let's get into it. As you know, I always have a smoothie in the morning before I have a lemon drink. So this has got banana, orange, apple, avocado over here, and that's spinach and carrot. To my smoothie I always add sea moss, and this is my sea moss which I have frozen, and so I've added 2, and then I'm gonna add some chia seeds, and then I'm gonna add some organic wheatgrass, and of course spirulina, part of the sea moss family. Then I'm going to add some coconut water. I forgot that I also add a spoon of linseed. Oh, and it's got coconut water in it. So I've got some straightforward porridge oats that I am going to just whiz in the mixer. As you can see, I've made flour out of the porridge. A teaspoon of baking powder. That's just going to make it nice and fluffy. Some cinnamon and some vanilla. Now if you want to, you can also mash some banana in. I'm adding hemp milk. For sweetness, just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Remember, I'm not the sugar queen, but if you want more, that's fine. You could use a food mixer, but I'm just doing it this way. I'm only making enough for me. This is ready. As you can see, I have a frying pan. My frying pan has no oil in it. And I'm going to get my mixture, and I'm just going to do a little bit. And I'm going to gently cook that on both sides on a sort of medium-low heat. If you have a really good non-stick pan, look, can you see already? I'm going to flip it over, oops, and again just do that side. Nice gentle, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes on each side, because I'm just doing enough for me. No oil, guys, nothing. It's just literally a hot pan. I've already chopped up my fruits, and so here is the very last one. Actually, the last pancake was a bit big, but never mind. So I'm going to now pile them up and make it look pretty for you. Pancake number 1. People do this in their own way, but I've got some beautiful almond yogurt. So I'm going to put some in the middle. I'm going to make it like a sandwich. Then I'm going to sprinkle that with some chia seeds and some milled linseeds. And then I'm going to keep stacking. Here's the next one. Same thing. I'm going to just my almond yogurt. Oh, la, la, la. You can never have too many seeds and good stuff. And then finally, I'm going to add my final stack. But this time, I'm just going to lusciously pour my yogurt on top. And then I'm going to start to build like a fruit tin. So that's my bananas. Then I've got some beautiful blueberries. And it's going to fall all over the place, and that's part of the beauty of it all. And then I'm going to spread my bananas. And I've got some satsumas. And this, guys, is what I would have for my breakfast if I'm extra hungry and I just want more. So this is beautiful. That is my breakfast. Beautiful pancakes made from porridge with no oil. What you need is a really good frying pan, which is non-stick, and you can just go for it. It's really easy, and it's healthy. As I said, my ingredients I get from Pempamsie. Please check them out and let me give it a try. Now remember, I didn't put too much sugar in, but if you want to, you can add a couple more teaspoons of sugar. I'm depending on getting my sweetness from the natural fruits. Delicious, absolutely delicious, and healthy and light. I'm not feeling heavy. So guys, as I said, I did a surprise for my son where we went to Legoland, but the night before we went to a beautiful hotel in Old Windsor. Let me show you what we did. Rainbow lover. This is our birthday surprise. It's beautiful, very pretty. Yeah. So we are at a fancy pantsy, as my son would say. Lovely hotel. Were you surprised, Kyan? Yeah. And we are going Legoland. Fancy pantsy hotel, very posh. Modern? Yeah, this part of the hotel is quite modern.
Everything is dark green. It smells good.
Yeah, now open the door. Let us see our the room. There's a nice bathroom. Oh, look. Of course it's got a telephone. Very nice indeed.
Let's check the bathroom.
Yeah, check the bathroom. So you lot can sleep in the small bed and I'm going to sleep in a big bed.
No, we're going to sleep in the same bed.
No, I want a break. Old-fashioned telephone. Happy birthday from everybody. Rainbow lover, come to me. Orange, yellow, sea blue, green. We journey.
This is so good.
Deep, together we will always be. My child was splashing me. Doesn't he know you don't splash black women's hair? I'm going to have to report him to the NACCPP, Black Caucus, Afrocentric people, because my child is wetting up a black woman's hair. What is that? So we have a great time here at the hotel. It's called De Vere in Windsor, Old Windsor, and now we're off to Legoland to have a great time. Yeah, birthday celebrations. Wow! I have a flat here, so I've just put the thing on the thing, and hopefully we'll be pumped up. Glassy picture planes, I'm glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep, no rocks will ever come between.
My name's Tiny. Do you want to know why my name's Tiny?
Yes?
Because everything in the North Pole was so small, I always banged my head against the door frame.
Our elf Tiny, as you can see, is not tiny, and he is taking us to Mr. Christmas.
Did you know it's nothing? Hello guys.
Good stuff. And what about you? What would you like for Christmas?
So we've just been on this thing called Jolly Rocker, and it has been horrific. I need someone to come on these rides. I mean, Mum, get out. I just don't even want to be on these things. It was really scary. Rainbow lover, come to. Please give these pancakes a try. This is what I had for my breakfast. Simple things. Have a blessed week. I'll see you next time.